What's up, my friends? So in today's video I'm going to talk about how to clean your ceiling fans. Here's how this video will work. First, I'm going to talk about how to clean a really filthy ceiling fan. So something that has like a layer of dust on it. Really filthy, really dirty. I'm going to talk about how to get that clean. Then I'm going to talk about how to maintain the ceiling fan once it has been cleaned. So maintenance cleaning. And then we're going to finish off the video by talking about how to clean a ceiling fan that is really high ceilings, so 12 foot, 15 foot, 20 foot ceilings, how to get to that ceiling fan and how to get it clean. And I should mention I also will timestamp each of those ceiling fans in the video description box. Also, all the products that I go through and talk about in this video will be listed and linked down below for you. So first things first, if we have a ceiling fan right here and it's really filthy, it's got a layer of dust on it that thick, I don't recommend dusting it, because you're just going to blow dust absolutely everywhere. It's going to get in your nostrils, it's going to cause you allergies, it's going to make your nose run and your eyes water. Also, it's going to make a mess everywhere. You might have a bed below your ceiling fan, so you definitely don't want to go that route. I also don't recommend using some kind of damp cloth, because what will end up happening is it will create a mud and it'll make it really difficult to remove. Personally, here's what I do. I like to vacuum the fan when it has a lot of dust. I use a backpack vacuum cleaner. This is a Pro Team backpack vacuum cleaner. So allow me to demonstrate. I turned that light off, so hopefully this will make the video a little bit better. So it's simple. I got my backpack vacuum cleaner on. It's got a hose and it comes with one of these attachments right here. This is a brush attachment. This right here. All you do, pop it on the hose. Right like that. Brush attachment comes with the backpack vacuum cleaner, and then we're just going to simply vacuum the fan. So that's how you do it. You just vacuum each fan blade one by one. You can take your brush, you can also vacuum up in here. Typically a lot of dust likes to form in this ceiling base or whatever. So you can take your brush, vacuum in there, hit your light fixtures, vacuum on top of your base, all around the ceiling up here. And it's real simple. After you've removed that layer of dust, if the ceiling fan is greasy, you can take like a microfiber cloth, you can dampen it with hot water, maybe put you some Dawn dish soap on there, or grab you a multi-purpose cleaner, spray your ceiling fan blades, or just spray your cloth directly and start wiping down those fan blades one by one with your microfiber cloth, and it will remove any type of grease that you have on that ceiling fan. So now let's talk about maintaining the ceiling fan now that it's clean. Every week, every 2 weeks, I don't recommend going more than 2 weeks. Unless it's just you living in the house all by yourself and the air's pretty clean in there, right? You might be able to get away with once a month, but I highly recommend you do it every 2 weeks. Get you something like this. This is a Swiffer duster. The beautiful thing about it is it's extendable. Okay? So I can make it as small as this right here, and I can pull it out and I can extend it like that. This is a little dirty. It's been used. I used it yesterday at work. I need to put a new one on here. But these are disposable. These just pop on and off. Press this little button right here, and it's adjustable. See? However you want to use it. Use it like that. Use it like that. And here's how to do it. Once every 2 weeks, you come in with your Swiffer duster. You don't even need your stepping stool. You'll come here to your ceiling fan, right? And you'll just dust this fan. Okay? Go through and do each blade. And this will maintain the ceiling fan and prevent it from accumulating all that nasty dust. All your dust will stick right to your Swiffer duster right here, and when it gets dirty, kind of like it is now, you'll just take it off and change it. Lastly, I want to talk about how to clean a really high ceiling fan that you can't reach with a stepping stool. What you'll need is something like this. This right here is called the Extender Reach Pole. It's a really good, really high quality. And what it has is these little levers right here. So you just undo these and it extends, right? You undo this one, undo this third one, you can get even more length. And these poles go anywhere from 12 foot, 24 foot, or 30 foot. This is the 30-foot version. It's huge. I mean, it's a big old pole. I actually featured this in one of my other videos on how to remove cobwebs from really high ceilings. And I'll leave a link to that video down below so you can see this pole in action more fully. But you need one of these. You need one of these long poles. It's an investment, but it's well worth it. And what it comes with, this extender reach pole, is they send you these two things. So this is a duster, and this is to clean the fan if it's greasy. The great thing about these is they're bendable. Okay, so you can bend it. You do this, and then this, and you could put the fan blade right in the middle and clean that fan blade because it's really up high. What you do is just spray like a multi-purpose cleaner on this, get it good and soaking wet basically. You pinch it together like this, attach it to your pole, and do each fan blade like this with the cleaner inside, and it will remove grease from that high ceiling fan that you have. And then to maintain the high ceiling fan, you could just use something like this. This is just the duster. It's real simple. It's threaded, and you just screw it on right like that. So very handy. And that is how you clean and dust high ceiling fans. So that is it, my friends. Hope you liked the video. Hope you found it valuable. If you did, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. It really helps us out. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.